relax. Just
I'm
relax.
ready to say.
Okay.
Just learning, just learner.
I am also beginner. You don't tell anybody. I am also beginner.
I saw so many your videos. So many I saw.
Yeah.
Uh, 2 years ago, I
Yes.
have been
No.
so I'm download your app, uh, Hybro,
I see.
and yes, today one
Ah.
person I calling you, her calling me.
गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों। रिसेंटली जो आपने ये क्लिप देखी, ये 2 महीने पहले की क्लिप है और उसके बाद ही अनीशा जी इंग्लिश स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीख रही हैं। हमने ये वीडियो में इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि हम मेजर कर रहे हैं जो 2 महीने पहले और अभी में कितना सुधार हुआ है। ये सुधार इसलिए हुआ है कि अगर लोग कहते हैं, क्वेश्चन है लोगों का कि कहाँ से शुरुआत करें, कहाँ से शुरुआत करें, तो मैं कहता हूँ आप बोलने से शुरुआत करिए। जितना आता है उतना बोलिए, जितना आता है उतना बोलिए। ऑटोमेटिकली आपको पता चलते जाएगा कि कहाँ गलतियाँ हो रही हैं, क्या सुधारना चाहिए, क्या गलती हो रही है हमसे, क्या गलती को हमने दोबारा नहीं दोहराना चाहिए। ये ऑटोमेटिकली आपको पता चलता जाएगा। इसके लिए आपको बात करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। बात करना इसलिए, और बात करने के लिए अगर आप पार्टनर ढूंढ रहे हैं तो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं हमारा हाइब्रो ऐप। लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और आप ये जो रिसेंट क्लिप आप फुल वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको यहाँ आई बटन का डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको ये वीडियो मिल जाएगा। आप वीडियो को एंजॉय करिए, वीडियो पूरा देखिए और आपको पता चल जाएगा, आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर हो जाएंगे कि स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए क्या ज़रूरी है। मैं नहीं, खुद अनीशा जी आपको बताएंगे इनकी इंप्रूवमेंट के साथ। तो वीडियो पूरा देखिए। अगर इसको पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Anisha ji, I still remember that we talked when we talked last time, first time. When
Okay,
we,
last time, okay, before means right now, I think 2 months completed.
two
So
months
that time
completed.
yes, yes,
I
I
see. So
think,
we talked 2 months ago. We talked two
yes,
months
two
ago.
months ago. Yes, 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 yes,
Okay. And then
yes,
you started the class with me. Okay.
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So what do you think about that? What do you think that if somebody wants to learn English, what he or she needs to do? Like reading, writing, listening, watching, or speaking. What is the
Okay, okay,
right method of learning spoken English? What is the right method?
yes. Learning spoken English means everything is important. Means writing important, reading also important, and most reading, writing, and talk. Most important is talking. Talking, speaking is most important. Yes,
I see.
but
Absolutely.
yes, but lots. I mean grammar and means writing, reading, and listening. Listening important, but talking, speaking most important. Yes.
I see. I see. Absolutely.
Yes.
How you are
Because
learning?
yes,
Because
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 I know I understand anybody speak with English, anybody speak, so I understand, but I can't speak, no, so that's why speaking, so you habit, no,
Mhm.
so जब तक habit नहीं होती sorry, so
Absolutely.
yes,
You are
yes,
absolutely
so
right. I'm
speaking
agree.
is important.
I'm
And then second thing, my improve means, sir, last 2 months ago means I'm not anybody who speak English. Not one word anybody speak with. Okay. First
mm,
time I speak with you.
mhm,
And after, before 2 months ago, you know.
mm,
And then I using your application, Hybro app. So I
mhm.
every day I talk with 3 4 person with 3 4 persons with speak I every day. So but and there is not hesitation and not shy. I will practice because I learn English. No, that's why.
Mm.
So yes, so I like your Hebrew app, and thank you so much, sir, because lots of people happy
Mm.
because not fees and 24 hours available
Mm.
and enjoy. Everybody enjoy. I lots of enjoy, and my English speaking little bit improve. Means क्या बोलते हैं? Your Hebrew app, my improve English helpful lots.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. So since when you have been using Hybro app, Anisha ji, madam?
Yes, yes. This Hebrew app 2 months completed.
I see. So
And
it's mean
before means I talk with you last that time I Hebrew app download that time 3 days, only 3 days,
I
and this
see. I
time
see.
yes completed 4 months.
2 months.
Yes,
It's mean you have been using Hybro app
I
for the
have
last
been
2 months.
yes, I have been using this Agro app last 2 months.
For the
Yes,
last 2 months, absolutely. How
yes.
how many hours do you talk in each day? Every day, how many hours do you talk?
Okay. Every day I talk half, half an hour, 45 minutes. Sometime I 1 hour talk. Yes, sir. I lot enjoy. I don't know. I have no idea. I am correct or wrong. But partner is speak. Partner teacher no so he corrected me. So that's why I'm enjoying.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
Except talking, what have you been doing, and what do you do to enhance your learning, your spoken English, Madam Anisha?
Mm, actually,
Except talking. Do you read
except
anything?
talking.
Except talking,
Yes,
do
yes.
you read?
I read some. I read sometimes storybook and storybook and also rapid text book. But
I see you.
actually, I bought rapid text book last week,
Yeah,
so little bit start. But
I
I read
see.
sometimes. Yes,
Do you, uh, uh, what is the Highbrow app what about the Rapidex English book? It's a
rapid
very
text
good book.
English books, very good book. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good books and
Uh,
understand. Yes, yes.
you understand.
So
You
I
understand.
understand. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
absolutely. Absolutely.
So
That's a
this
great.
book also a good book. Yes.
Do you
Nice.
want to recommend me anything, any YouTube channel? What do you watch on a YouTube? Do you watch
Oh
anything
yes.
on a
Oh
YouTube?
yes, yes. I watch lots of video. I watching every day in the
I
YouTube
watch
channel.
not watch
I
I
watch.
watch I watch lots of
Okay.
videos on YouTube.
Okay. I watch lots of video in YouTube channel. Means first of all you and your conversation somebody your conversation and lots of grammars and lots of people there, lots of videos there English. So I follow them. Yes, sir.
Okay. What about my teaching? Are you
Oh,
enjoying
you
the
are
way I
teaching. So yes, it's enjoying because you are teaching is means polite, speak politely and understanding and nice explaining. So your teaching is very well grateful. Yes,
I said you are
yes,
speaking right now also you are speaking, but you are
yes,
making
yes.
mistake.
Yes,
Not
my
that
grammar,
much.
no, sir. Grammar, so I have no idea which where words were used and when used. I have no idea, so that's why
You have
my
idea.
grammar.
You have an idea, madam. You have an
Yes, yes,
idea.
I have
But
idea.
the thing is you have no habit. You have no
Yes,
habit.
yes, yes,
You have a, yeah, I have
yes,
taught you. I have taught
yes,
you, but the thing is that you do not have a habit right now. You are learning.
yes,
This is your learning
yes,
procedure going on. You are learning.
yes,
It will
yes,
take time.
yes, yes,
Learning
yes,
an English,
yes,
it's not an easy task. Okay, it's an easy task, but it's a lengthy task. It's a lengthy task. It takes time. It takes
yes, yes,
time. Takes
yes,
time. It doesn't
yes.
mean because we
I
because we live in a non we live in a we have no environment, you could say. We have
yes,
no environment. We
yes,
hardly speak English. You hardly speak English with me or on a highbrow app.
yes,
Other
yes,
than this, you spend entire day in a Marathi or a Hindi. You speak Hindi
yes,
language or Marathi. This is the
Yes, yes,
main reason behind that. That it takes time. This is the main
yes,
reason behind that, because no environment.
yes. So, and I will definitely, I one day, I my came means at that time I will definitely speak English, and I will lot practice, and I will be lot. I